innovation, propagating peace, empowering futures. Our dear parents, candidates for graduation, or soon to graduate a week from now. Today is a milestone, marking your dedication, resilience, and hard work. You have journeyed through academic challenges, embraced in pursuit of knowledge, and emerged ready to contribute meaningfully in our society. As you step into the next phase of your lives, this theme, embracing innovation, propagating peace, empowering future, serve as a beacon to the path ahead. Well, let us talk about embracing innovation. The world today is not the world for yesterday. We know that artificial intelligence is dominating in the market. It is now a new currency other than gold and petroleum. And we know the fact the more data that we have, the more money that we can. And to embrace, first we have to consider the rapidly evolving technology. And it is your ability to innovate also in a more important situation. Innovation is about more than just technological advancement. It's about approaching problems with fresh perspective, creating novel solutions, and adapting to new circumstances. You have been equipped with skills and mindset to be trailblazers in respective fields. Embrace this spirit of innovation as you move forward. Remember, great achievements start with a bold idea and courage to pursue it. Second word that we consider from our team is the propagating peace. Do you have peace and order? If your answer is yes, then maintain. As a graduate of NEPSO, the foothold of NEPSO is coming from USEC. And to tell you, the vision of USEC before is to produce globally competitive and morally upright countries. You can only see few people who have moral ascendance. Most in the road, okay, you see some killing. The roads now is killing fields. Drug dens of drug addicts, and even those people who involved in crimes. So therefore, we need peace. Look at the world today. They're rich in money, in education. Look at Russia and Ukraine, Israel and Palestine. Israel is one of the best schools or universities offering justice system because the father of law in that country was known for this course. But today, Israel is now bombarded with missiles coming from outside enemies. And please, even your classmates, maybe sometimes enemy within. Siguro, di kayo nabigyan ng answers to naging enemy na siya. And I hope you have to maintain a peaceful, calm heart and mind. Because without that kind of peace in heart, it will not resonate in our country. In these times, the world needs advocates for peace. And you, as part of the peace process, and you are the material to maintain peace and order in our country. Your education here in NEPSO has not only prepared you academically, but also shaped you as compassionate and responsible global citizens. Propagating peace means fostering understanding, building connection between diverse communities and standing for justice and equality. Use your voice and action to promote harmony and resolve conflicts with empathy and wisdom. Peace is the foundation upon which prosperous of thriving societies are built together. The next one is empowering future. You are already empowered by this university. The government spent a lot of money because you are a scholar and buyer. Do not use your knowledge and your knowledge, do not let your knowledge and mind discipline over your heart. Let your mind as catalyst in the society in bringing peace at all times. When you say empowering future, remember that education is a powerful tool that unlocks countless opportunities. With this empowerment comes with responsibility in order to uplift others. Whether through mentorship, community service, or leadership, strive to make positive impact on those around you. Empowering others by sharing your knowledge, offering support, and inspiring hope is a crucial. By doing this, you can contribute a future where everyone has the chance to succeed. As you leave the halls of NEMSO League and step into the world carrying with the values we have nurtured together. The friendship you have forged, the experiences you have gained, and the lessons you have learned will be your guiding stars. To our esteemed faculty and staff, thank you for your unwavering dedication to our students.